friends, and welcome to this tutorial about Git and GitHub. So in my first two videos, we started working with this Git demo project, and we made some changes on this index.html file and did some commits. So today we will be seeing how to work with Git log, and so whenever you make some commit in Git, so it goes into Git log, and those commits can be seen or recognized with this long 40 digit 40 numbers or hash key. So they identify each commit uniquely, and we saw in my previous videos that we made some changes, version 1 and version 3, and then we made commit. So how to make working with Git log, like sometimes you have need to work on some functionalities which you need a previous state from your Git log. So when we work and as you can see, there is each commit has a unique ID. So this with this unique ID, and we can do a checkout and go to any version, any previous commit, and start making changes and start working on it. So let's try to get go to our previous state of our log, and for doing that, what we can do the checkout. So we do get checkout, and then you can give the number, this hash key number, so that it can be uniquely identified. You can give first 10 digit, or you can give the whole number. So I find it's easy to just double click and do a control C and control V. So this whole number is here. So as soon as I do this, what Git will do, Git will move my current working directory to this commit. So you will see this is showing this is my third change, and as soon as I do this, it will make the changes, and I will go to that state. Now this is changed, but what I want to show you is this interesting thing here. So it's showing this detached state. So what it means, now we are in a state of Git. We are not currently connected with our Git commit log, which is at the head master. So our master head has moved, and now we are with the detached state. Our head is pointing to previous commit which we just checked out. So here is another interesting thing. You can see it's saying you can make it as a branch, and you can do a git checkout hyphen b and then the name of the branch, and then we can make it a branch. We will be working with branch in sorry, in the next video, and it will be in more detail. We will see how these branches work, but today it's more about log. So let's see now what is there in our git log. So let me just make it clear. So I'll do git log. So now this git log is showing that it only sees version 1, because we are in a different state now. So our state has changed, and we have moved back to version 1, and we can do any changes here. So what it does, it gives you an opportunity to create an alternate instance or an alternate world where you can do make changes and mess around with things, and then you can check your functionality whether it's working, and then you can at the later point of time you can merge them together. So let's make some change here, and let's say okay, this is the alternate world, and this is our alternate world version 1. So let's save it, and as soon as I do git status here, it will say that in my detached state I have modified one index.html. So let's now do git add that we learned in previous videos, and then let's do git commit hyphen m, and let's give it a message alternate world 1. So, and now let's clear it and see git log. Sorry, I made some mistake. It did. Sorry, I made a mistake in. It's not comment, it's commit. So now I have committed. So it's git log. So now my new alternate world has one version 1 and alternate world 1. So if we see, the moment we did checkout, git created a detached branch actually. So let's see, we can see those branch. So here you see it's showing that there is a master, which was the branch where we started, and then there is a head detached from this hash key number. This star represent that this is the current branch I'm working on. So I'm working on this alternate world, and then there is a this head branch. If I want, I can move back to this master by doing git checkout master. Now the interesting thing here is when I did git checkout master, git is telling me that if I want to keep using the alternate world which I created, and if I want to move back or create a branch out of it, I can use this command. So in Mac on terminal, even if I do a lot of commands and move out of it, so I will be able to get this number. But if you are on Windows, so based on your how much buffer you have on your terminal, then you will not may not be able to get this number back. So it's a good idea to just note it down, and then later point of time you can go back to this commit as well. But if you don't copy it or keep it safe, you may not be able to find it back. So if I want, I can create a branch. So I just copy pasted it, and I don't want to name it new branch. I will say it's my alternate world. I can't do spellings today somehow. Okay. So anyway, as soon as I give this command, let's clear it, and then let's see git branches. So now I have a branch called master and I have a branch called alternate world. And if I want to move back to alternate world, so this is now I'm pointing to my master, and this is the third change. And if I do git log, so you can see there is only version 1 and version 3. There is no alternate world, but I can very easily move back to alternate world. So now I am switched back to alternate world, and see here is the change which I made, and even my git log will be showing this. So this is how you can work with the git log, and you can move back and forward to different states. And this is just an very basic introduction to log, and log and branches are a really important topic, and in my next video I will be talking more about how to work with branch and how to do them, how to merge the different branch and create different states with branch, and how to work between them. So today it's still here only. Thank you for watching.